Asante na Mwenyezi Mungu awabariki. Welcome Governor Cecily.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Mama Rachel, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, Prime Cabinet Secretary, allow me to stand in all the protocols that have been already established. Wananchi watukufu wa Kiambu, wa Kikuyu, wa Kenya, hamjambo. Bwana asifiwe. Nisalimieni hivi za hewani. Bwana asifiwe. God is good and all the time. It's a bit low. Okay. Your Excellency, there, that's better. I stand here wearing two hats. One is the hat of the Council of Governors, whose chair is Governor Ahmed, who could not be here with us, the Governor for Wajir, and who is also a friend to this family through the majority leader, Kimani Ichung'wah, and who has also visited this home over the past 1 week, and has asked me to give his condolences and that of the Council of Governors to the family of the Ichung'wahs and tell you poleni sana. Majority Leader, I also give you condolences from your friends in the Council of Governors. The many governors who have not been able to come here, they say pole sana. Secondly, I want to give the condolences of the ruling party, the UDA party, on behalf of the National Executive Committee, where the Majority Leader, Kimani Ichung'wah, serves. We say pole sana. We have visited this home this past week, and we are coming to tell you, Majority Leader, pole. We know it's not easy to you and the family, but we also are here to celebrate a great leader in the business community, in the community, Mzee Ichung'wah. And because we do have some of your friends, the governors here, allow me to kindly recognize them, and I'll start with my sister, Governor Susan Keheka, the governor for Nakuru County, who is here with us. Thank you, Governor. And then I'll go to my brother, Sakaja, Johnson Sakaja, the governor of the great county of Nairobi. And then we have the governor of the county where we are, Governor Kimani Wamatangi. And I want to say thank you to all of them for coming here today to condole with the Ichung'wah family. Asanteni sana. My brother, oh yes, we have Governor Wesley Rotich, the governor for Elgeyo Marakwet, who is here with us. Thank you very much, Governor, for coming. I hadn't seen you. My apologies. And we are happy that most of you have been able to come here today. On my own behalf, I want to give the condolences of the great people of Embu County to this family, and we say pole. My brother Kimani Ichung'wah, I want to appreciate that I've had a chance to meet this great Mzee in his house, and I also had a chance to eat his very tasty nyama choma, but Your Excellency, I never took the other thing. I had tea from my mother, but he was a great Mzee with a lot of wisdom and very welcoming. And listening to his history and his eulogy, I now understand my friend Ichung'wah better. I thought I knew you, but now I know why that the apple does not fall far from the tree. The story about COVID and the mask made me know who Ichung'wah really is. Because My friend Ishongwa, when he makes a decision and when he says no to something, hauwezi mtoa hapo. Now I know you better, my friend Ishongwa. But I also know something else, that it's clear didn't just happen. It is how you were brought up. And I think Senator Aaron has alluded to it. That Kimani Ichung'wah is one of those leaders who speaks with the nation in his mind. While he comes from a particular constituency and a particular community, he's one guy who has friends from across the country. He's one guy who judges people not from where they come from, but from their, by who they are, their merit, and how they are able to serve people. And I have never seen a tribalist in Kimani Ichung'wah. Now I understand that you got that from your great father, who has made the Maasai community come here today to celebrate his life. Indeed, there are not many people who get that kind of accolades when they pass on. You'll find it's only the villagers who have come. But a man like him, who was not even a politician, to have been able to build that network across the country, it's truly admirable. So I wish you, the family of Ichung'wah, all the best. May the gap that has been left by your great father be filled by him and continue to do that which he has taught you to do. To the great-grandchildren and the great-great-grandchildren, walk in the path of your great-grandfather. I only have one thing to tell my friend Ichung'wah. I've had you been told the second thing from the Junet. Hiyo ya pili, hiyo usifuate jameni. Hiyo tumekataa kama wamama, tutasimama na Alice mpaka mwisho. But otherwise, may God bless you. And I can only say, listening to the story of Mzee Ichung'wah, alikuwa fire, alikuwa noma, and I know my deputy president agrees with me on that. Alikuwa fire na alikuwa noma. Thank you very much. God bless you. May I now take this opportunity to welcome the Speaker of the Senate, Right Honorable Japhet Kingi, to say his word. Thank you.
Governor Cecil Mbarire, for the record, majina yangu ni Amason Jeffa Kingi. Japhet was my late father.